let me stay for now? I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? Way somehow, way somehow. Best way out is always through. I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? Somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Best way out is always somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Best way out is always.
So guys, it's second day plastering. I've basically done the first hit this morning, did the hallway that way, and I come in to the living area after lunch and got all of the kitchen area done and some of the living area. I was contemplating about doing the whole thing, but I chickened out because of what happened last time I took it on the big ceiling. So I'm just going to have a join along there. Might just have to make it good a little bit once it's all dry and had a few coats of paint. You can see how bad it looks, the join. But everywhere else looks pretty good. The ceiling so far in the bedroom, I'll just turn it around. Looks, so yeah, the ceiling in here is looking good. No cracks or anything. You can see the trail marks in it, but there's not, they're all paint out. So yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah, so I've got a Slovakian lesson tomorrow. Once I've been for that in the morning, come back for lunch, I'm going to hit this last little bit of ceiling in here in the afternoon. Be a nice easy one. Just skin that. Probably going to join the bit up here. That bit up here, probably just going to join it rather than plastering next to my tray. Ain't going to fit in there for love nor money. But yeah, it's all coming out quite nice. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I am happy with it. It's looking good. So if you're enjoying the video, give us a like and a subscribe as well. And yeah, watch me do the rest of this flat. See you later. Bye.